Now let's quickly talk about how we actually build an AI system that works for you, that is not just like any other tool that promises you a sign up for $99 a month or something like this, that we are branding all the creation to exactly your tone, style, and voice. That's so many tools out there that can do that today. You give quite a lot of input and it takes it, and they promise to build you a full AI employee. All the creation is made for you, but oftentimes it leads to the fact that you say quickly what you want to write about, and then it pulls up the LLMs, like the large language models information, according to their best knowledge, write an article in some ways, right? But what does that lead to? That leads to a lot of just generic, again, information like so many other people in your industry probably produce, and now produce even more and faster. But the big question still lies in what actually resonates with your customer. How does this tool really know what your customers are asking about? Especially in an industry where no one is really online at a steady pace today. There's so many industries, more industrialized companies as well, that are not online, or if they're online, they're more online with, hey, these are our products, these are the advantages, this is how you can see it, this is how you contact us, and then they post about their wins, their awards, client success stories, their barbecues for employees. All this typically a lot of people do at a certain pace. But now if you flip the script and think about, if you want to win big in today's world with so much content being created, in many industries it's very simple. Just think about how can you help your customers? What are really their questions? And this is like when you build a system, we're now focusing on creating really a system that mostly for B2B, but can also be for solopreneurs and coaches, adapted in a way that we want to build something that draws from your knowledge first. And whatever you create, we're having a full coaching program accompanying this trust engine install, because we want to make sure your tool, your trust engine, is aligned with your powerful knowledge, your insights, and then you feed it and we trigger it with the right inputs so that you actually have content that resonates with your customers. Because if in the end of the day no one reads it, but you push out 10, 20 times more content, and everyone maybe looks at it at the beginning and then, okay, it just sounds generic again, it's not really valuable to me, there's nothing beneficial for them in all this, so why would they stick around? So when we build a full AI system today, we want to make sure we feed it with your knowledge, so that when you prompt it to create a good article, we automatically align it to challenge you to think about what is the real question of the customer? Like what is this burning thing he wants to know about? And then we create it based on your knowledge and not the LLM's assumption of what it actually should talk about. Now that's a key differentiator right there. It's first your knowledge, and then just creates the whole AI power to create the right content for you much, much faster.